A good Monday morning. Some exciting news in the world of SaukValleyWeather.com. If you haven't heard or seen, we have already launched now our first mobile app. Very exciting, and here it is. Of course, you can get this for Apple, you can get this for Android too, and best of all, it is totally free. Not only do you get current conditions from our weather stations that we have in the Sauk Valley, you get the forecast, the video on demand. You also get push alert notifications from us directly in case there are severe weather watches, warnings, or advisories moving through the area. So go ahead and grab that. Of course, you can get that on Android, Apple Play Store, or, the Android Play Store, or you can get that also on the Apple Store as well through iTunes. So grab that. It is a great resource to have, especially now that we're getting into that thunderstorm season where we're going to be seeing more and more severe weather as the months progress on. Not talking about severe weather, but we're talking about the heat. 90 degrees for a high yesterday afternoon after a low of 69. It was an uncomfortable night on Saturday night, especially before we got rid of all that humidity. None of that humidity, though, managing to bring itself out in any showers or thunderstorms in our area anyway. Those held off to the north. So we're currently sitting at 0 for rainfall and about average just a little bit over a half an inch for this time of year. I'm sure we'll make up for that, though. Just give it time to where we get more thunderstorm chances back into the forecast. To look at what I'm watching for this forecast cycle, we're getting a temporary break from the heat now, and we'll get that at least for the next few days anyway. But I am watching for a quieter pattern to settle in, so really not a lot of rain chances in this forecast here. And once we get through the cooler days here, I do see a resurgence of this heat. In fact, it looks like it'll build in, you guessed it, just in time for next weekend. Here's the pattern we have going so far this morning, and this will actually hold through much of the early week, but we've had an area of low pressure that's just really been sitting over much of the Great Lakes over the last few days, shuttling down a couple pieces of energy, which got us those chances for showers and storms. That's now going off to the east. In its place, an area of high pressure. We're getting a cool northerly wind component. This will stay our pattern at least for the next 3 to 4 days, but it's after this, when we head in towards next weekend, that we get a resurgence of hot and humid temperatures. Look at the darker reds plotted on this map. In fact, these lighter shades of kind of almost like a taupe color or a light brown, those could be temperatures nearing 100 degrees by next weekend. So some big time heat, the first big time heat of the season so far anyway, already starting to take shape, and it looks like we'll have our temperatures well into the 80s, if not 90s, by next weekend with this pattern. One thing we won't have, though, are chances for showers and thunderstorms. It looks like we're going to stay dry next weekend. There is one rain chance, and we'll take a look at that here in just a moment. Your highs today, though, I'm looking for about the upper 70s. Some of us may touch that 80-degree mark. Mostly sunny skies. It will be breezy at times, too, but still very comfortable outside. Those winds will be out of the north at about 18 miles per hour. Your extended forecast showing the 70s continuing not only for Tuesday, but Wednesday, too. Really the nice 3 days of the week. Thursday, not too bad either. We get a little bit more warmth and a little humidity in here, getting us up to 81. One chance for rain, though, and that comes on Friday. That's a 40% chance, likely leading to some scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. And then after that, the floodgates for the heat and humidity open wide right back into the area. Mainly sunny skies and dry conditions expected for Saturday and Sunday. Highs likely approaching 90 degrees both days, if not exceeding that. And it will be very uncomfortable. So start making those weekend plans to be either on the river or next to the pool. Not going to be a weekend. You're going to want to get that outdoor honey-do list done, at least comfortably anyway. But notice it's very dry, so you'll probably have to do a little bit of watering if you have a garden or some plants, as the air mass we're going to have, at least for the next 4 days, seems quite dry. You'll at least probably want to water by Wednesday just to be on the safe side. So again, check out the mobile app on the Android Play Store there, or you can also get that on the Apple Store too. And remember, that is free, absolutely free. Check it out today. Huge thank you to Joel Wetzel. Have a great Monday.